Kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color an igloo. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To know the next upcoming drawing, please watch the video till the end. Come, let's start. First step is to draw a curve like alphabet small n. Now draw another small n curve parallel to the first n curve. On top of the second end curve, draw a shapeless closed curve for the snow. Now draw another big shapeless closed curve on both the sides of the snow. Draw curves like alphabet C and reverse C and join with small n curve. Now draw sleeping curve inside parallelly one by one. Draw a small standing line inside each line alternatively. And make it like a rectangle shape. Draw sleeping and standing lines inside the small n to make a brick wall. Let's start coloring. Sky blue color. Today I am going to use watercolor. Don't worry if you don't have a sky blue color, just mix dark blue color and white color, you will get the sky blue color. Now I am going to give the color only at the borders. the sky blue color. That's it. See, it's very simple. Give black color for the outline. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw a snake. See you.